Today I'm going to give you a tour of the woods over there. That right there is the start of the trail. Do not go outside of the trail unless you want to get punched really, really hard in the face. All right, stay here real quick while I clear the trail. Are you coming? I don't know what your problem is. Why would you, like, you're supposed to follow me. And if you don't follow me, it could end in disaster. I said to follow me. I clearly said over there. I will clear this away. I didn't. All right, stay here.
Alright, stay here. Alright, stay here.
Uh. Hurry up, loser.